two hip mobility drills that I wanted to share with you. So these two drills are considered dynamic stretching, which all that means is you can do these before activity, right? You don't want to do static stretching before activity. You want to do dynamic stretching. So these two exercises are considered dynamic stretching. The first one is going to be a quad rock back. So you're going to get into quadruped position, and all that means is you're going to get onto your hands and knees. So hands and knees, back stays flat. You are going to bring your knees just outside of the hips. So on a forward view, it looks like this, right? This is in line, and that's just outside the hips. So staying just like that, you're going to sit into your feet, keeping the back straight, and then you're going to rock forward, not here, just to neutral. So feet to here. And you can do this about 15 times. From there, you're going to add a little bit of adduction, inner thighs. So position is the same. So you're going to be here, except you're going to kick the leg out and sit into it. So facing you, right? One leg goes out. Now I'm going to sit back into it. So think of this as, like a side lunge where you're bringing your butt cheek down into your heel. This is the same idea. Back stay straight, sit into it, come back up to neutral. 15 times, other side, same idea, okay? So you can do this, in the morning when you're doing your stretches. You can do the before activity, after activity, but they're two good back-to-back exercises to do, for the hip capsule and just loosening up, inner thighs and around the hip joint. So I encourage you to give it a try, see if it helps, and I'll see you next time.